was completely moved. It was hard for me to sing.
What we wanted to say was to share the story about the slave trade that happened throughout the Pacific.
Not only as a talking point, but as a form of inspiration for our next generation, because we were decimated as a people back in '63. It took years for us to recover.
I know that some of my pupunas were part of that trade, that they took all the able-bodied men and just left women and children, you know.
There's not much information out there, and we really want to hear the Pacific point of view.
This trauma does not end. We're still recovering. But here we are, we're telling the story, and so in a way, we're okay.
This is such a historical moment for our people. Getting a little bit emotional.
We have a saying in Tokelau, Tokelau ke ola means Tokelau to prosper. Our people nearly died, but our parents we left behind, they continue. So for the young ones out there, Tokelau ke ola.